trying to get this GoPro on here, but we don't have any zip ties or anything.
I think it'll be too wobbly.
I don't fucking know. Alright, I've got it on.
It's a little crooked, tilted, but
so fucking what? It'll work.
Better than nothing.
Right, alright. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, that'll work. We're fucking awesome.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
So the car is burning up. It smells like it's like gonna catch fire or something. It says we're supposed to go down in first gear, but this car doesn't have a first gear. We're going up in drive. So we'll see if the engine makes it. It's only a brand new car.
It's not overheating or anything, so we're good. It's just half heat.
Whew. The GoPro isn't gonna see this part. That's really far down. Are we allowed to get out of the car? Not really. I don't know, that's pretty high up.
I'll pull up a little bit.
No, it's okay. I'm okay.
I'll get out.
Yes, it's gorgeous.
Looks like it's going to be cloudy at the top.
It's getting cold.
Stop here?
Yeah, we can. Be careful in those flip-flops. We don't have the right shoes on to be doing all this now.
Stand on that rock right there. Take your picture.
Up here? It's almost like out of a like painting or a cartoon or something.
Oh, see, it's not a drop off.
Oh.
It just looks like it.
Oh,
It's an
fuck.
optical illusion.
Oh, fuck. It's like extra spooky because like you know that the ledge is right there, like, but then you can't see anything. I should have taken Xanax before this shit. I didn't realize that this is like how it was gonna be. Like, we are at the top of this thing. Like, my ears are going nutty. Wait, hold on, that's...
Oh, I can't stop.
Oh.
There's a guy behind me.
Oh, okay. Dude, wow.
We'll stop here for a second. This is crazy as...
This is nuts.
You want your jacket?
Yes, please, I definitely need my jacket. Oh, thanks. I should have wore those jeans after all. My winter clothes could have got some good use. Who knew we'd be up in
the clouds?
Up in angel territory. I'm gonna get out.
You're
gonna take pictures since we're stopped, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Whoa, the observatory thing, look, now you can't even see it.
Oh. I'm not gonna be able to see anything now.
Yeah, I know. I need like a fire and some marshmallow. It's like coming directly like this. I wonder if it'll cover me up. Come on. Come on, cloud.
It's coming this direction.
I want to see if it'll cover me. Oh, it's totally gonna cover me up. Look how thick it is.
Here it comes.
Oh, I'm about to disappear. I love you. Goodbye.
You can't see anything anymore. Like, it was so clear like a second ago.
I know, it's like, this is dangerous. You don't know where the rocks are or the ledge or anything. I do not have the right shoes on for this. Alright, we gotta go up all these stairs to get to the summit building, which is the overlook. But what we're going to be looking at is going to be fog. That's nuts.
What are you gonna do?
This is the list. Look, it has like all of their information. Froze to death while attempting. It's so crazy. Alright, I'm gonna get 3 postcards and I'm gonna send one to myself. Thank you. Okay, let's let ourselves know. I'll look out the window now, you can see those. Okay, look out the window. Behind you. Alright, here's our postcard. People are gonna get on the train. Gonna get a time lapse of the people getting on and off the train, but Chris brought up a good point. We should get to the observatory deck before all those people do. Yeah, okay, let's go. Fuck, it's cold. This is the observatory deck, everybody. We're observing some clouds right now. We're observing some hikers in their natural element. My battery's about to die.
I gotta have a safety meeting.
That's what we call it too. That's what we call it too.
Oh, I love your
That's what it is on the trail.
Oh, thanks.
Safety meeting.
Thank you.
You know, just in case you're running the wrong people.
Yeah.
I always laughed though, because I was like, what are they really gonna do? Are they gonna hike up 4 miles and get me?
That sounds like him. He's like, what are they really gonna do?
Yeah.
Can you put that out?
I figured that's it. There's a couple of really good spots too. Are you from here?
No, Florida.
Okay. Did you drive up? Do the drive up kind of thing?
Well, we flew and then like drove up this mountain. If that's
Yeah,
what
I
you
mean the
mean.
mountain. So
Yeah.
when you get down to the mountain there, you go near Pinkham Notch. Is that?
Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, this is such a crazy view behind you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. Okay, that was perfect. My battery, we got our photo by the sign and then the battery died. This is so creepy. It looks like it's out of like a, like Goldilocks is gonna let down her hair or something, right? Doesn't it?
Yep.
That's so crazy that the hippie guys like were like, oh, go to this place or whatever, and that's the place we were at yesterday.
You said safety meeting and he went to this spot.
Yeah. They were talking about having a safety meeting and then we were like, oh yeah, and he was like, we run naked throughout here. I was like, yeah, we got naked yesterday on this place. And so he was like, oh, go to this place, and he was telling us, and we were like, that's where we went. Like, how crazy. The universe works so mysteriously, doesn't it? It's like the super like secret hidden awesomeness spot. So we were going to leave and I noticed that this building is chained down so that it like doesn't fly away. That is hilarious. It's like so crazy.
The highest wind ever recorded. That's higher than a hurricane. 231.
Headed back down. It's starting to clear up a little that direction, but not
I couldn't
much.
see anything in front of us before.
That just made me dizzy. That kid has got a set of lungs on it. Jesus. So we're headed back to the parking lot. It's finally starting to clear up. This could be your life. This is what happens when you don't use protection. Do you hear this kid screaming? This is nuts. This is so nuts. This kid has been screaming for like over 20 minutes. Can you imagine having to travel with a screaming child? Like, I couldn't do it. Whoa, look at that random house right out there.
How do you even get there?
I don't know.
It seems like you have to hike to it. I don't see any driveway.
Our car is literally parked in the clouds.
Should I hit the GoPro?
Yep, hit it, turn it on, make sure it's on. Gotta go unhook the GoPro from the front. But that was a genius idea. I'm so glad that I thought of it. Ah.